Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Multitask Mutual Learning for Joint Sentiment Classification and Topic Detection. So now coming to the introduction part. Multitask Mutual Learning, that is MTML, represents a cutting-edge and pioneering methodology that has been specifically crafted to effectively grapple with the intricate and interconnected challenges posed by sentiment classification and topic detection within the realm of textual data analysis. The intricate realm of sentiment classification necessitates that intricate task of ascertaining and delineating the nuanced emotional tone or polarity embedded within the given piece of textual content, while the equality intricate domain of topic detection is laser focused on the discernment and extraction of the overarching central subject matter or thematic essence enveloping the textual composition. These twin endeavors, sentiment classification and topic detection, are indispensable and play a pivotal role across a multifarious array of applications within the expansive spectrum of natural language processing. They serve as linchpins in the ecosystem of automated analytical processes, including but not confined to the realms of social media scrutiny, comprehensive customer feedback evaluation, and the sophisticated orchestration of content recommendation systems, where their profound significance is manifestly apparent. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to realm of joint sentiment classification and topic detection is to effectively tackle a set of pivotal objectives and intricacies. So here first we have augmented precision. The foremost goal is to elevate the precision levels in both sentiment classification and topic detection, prioritizing an increase in their respective accuracy. Second, here we have synergetic knowledge utilization. MTML capitalizes on the collaborative and synergistic aspects inherent in sentiment and topic information embedded within textual data. So now coming to the requirements part, here we have two types of requirements, the hardware requirements and the software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 8 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirements part, Anaconda 3 is required and Visual Studio Community Virtual is required. So now coming to the flow of work, here first we have importing the packages. In this module, necessary libraries and packages which are NumPy, Pandas for data manipulation, sklearn to facilitate machine learning, and Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization are important. Second, here we have exploring the dataset English test for analysis. This module involves an in-depth exploration of analysis of the dataset. It is designed to gain insights into the data structure and identifying relevant features for this project. Third, here we have data processing. It is the process of cleaning, transforming, and formatting data so that it can be used for analysis or modeling. This can involve removing missing values, correcting errors, and converting data into a format that is compatible with the analysis or modeling tools that will be used. Next, here we have visualization using Seaborn and Matplotlib. Visualization is a powerful tool for understanding data. It can be used to gain insights into the distribution and relationships between the features in a dataset. Seaborn and Matplotlib are two Python libraries that can be used to create visualizations. Next, here we have feature selection using formal data. It is the process of choosing the most important attributes from a dataset formally. It helps improve model performance and reduces the complexity. Next, here we have lexicon vectorizer. It is a technician in natural language processing that converts text data into numerical format. And next, here we have splitting the data to train and test. Splitting data into training and testing sites is a crucial step in machine learning. It separates data into two subsets for model training and evaluation. Next, here we have building the model. In building the model, first here we have logistic regression, a linear model used for binary or multi-class classification task, and it's proposed for your specific problem. Next, here we have random forest, an ensemble model that combines multiple decision trees for classification or regression tasks. After that, we have a model extra tree classifier. Similar to random forest, it's an ensemble model with additional randomness in the tree building process. Next model, KNN, stands for K nearest neighbors, a simple classification algorithm that assigns a class label based on the majority class among its K nearest neighbors in the feature space. Model which is named as decision tree, a tree-based model for classification or regression where data is split into nodes based on feature conditions. Coming to the next model, MNB stands for multinomial naive Bayes proposed, a probabilistic model often used for text classification and is proposed for your specific problem. Coming to the next model, which is named as SVM, stands for support vector machine, a powerful model for classification tasks that find a hyperplane that best separates different classes. Next model named as MLP, multi-layer perceptron, a type of artificial neural network used for various machine learning tasks including classification. Next we have voting classifier, an ensemble technique that combines the predictions of multiple classifiers to make a final decision. Next here we have RNN LSTM proposed. This stands for long short-term memory, a type of recurrent neural network RNN with memory cells often used for sequential data and proposed for a problem. Next here we have DNN proposed. This stands for deep neural network, a neural network with multiple hidden layers proposed for a specific task. Next here we have training the model. Training the model involves using a labeled dataset with inputs and corresponding target labels to teach the model how to make predictions. The training process involves optimization algorithms that adjust model parameters to minimize prediction errors. Next here we have building the model with extra tree classifier gives better accuracy. Extra tree classifier is a model choice that provides higher accuracy for your problem during the model building phase. Next here we have Flask framework with SQLite for sign up and sign in. You are using the Flask web framework along with SQLite as the database for the registration and login functionality. Coming to the next, here we have again importing the packages. As I have told you earlier, importing necessary Python libraries and modules for this project. Coming to the next, exploring the dataset English text for analysis. Examining the dataset containing English text to understand its structure and content. Next here we have data processing. Preparing and cleaning the data for analysis including tasks like text pre-processing, handling missing data and feature engineering. Coming to the next, user gives input. User provides input which could be text or other relevant data for analysis. The given input is pre-processed for prediction. The user's input undergoes pre-processing to make it suitable for model prediction. Next here we have trained model is used for prediction. The pre-processed input is fed into a trained machine learning model, possibly extra tree classifier to make predictions or classifications. Coming to the next one, topic modeling using BERT and SVM. Leveraging BERT, a state-of-art of the language model, along with the support vector machine, which is SVM for topic modeling, which could involve categorizing text into different topics or themes. And the last one here we have final outcome is displayed through front end. The results of predictions from the model or the topic modeling are presented to the user through a web-based front end, likely built with Flask. User can interact with and see the outcome of the analysis through the web application. So now coming to the execution part. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. Now here we have a folder which is named as data. In this we are containing some data set over here which is used in this project. And the folder which is named as static, this folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap files. And the folder named as templates, this folder contains all the HTML pages used in this project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, etc. which represent different pages of the website. And the next here we have app.py file which likely contains the information related to front-end logic. It could include code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. So next here we have this file which is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs and outputs all in one place. And it allows the user to enter and write and execute the code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. Next here we have signup.db file which appears to be the database file which is used to store the information. This is again similar to this file. And now just select the path from here. Copy the path from here, open the Anaconda prompt. Type the command cd followed by a space and now just paste the link over here. Now hit the enter button. Now type python app.py. And now just hit the enter button. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application link locally at the default address and port 5000 unless configured differently. So now here you can see that the link has been posted over here. Just copy this link and paste it into any of the browsers. Here I am using Chrome. Just paste the link over here and now hit the enter button. So here you can see that this is our home page for this. By entering over here you can contact us. And this is our home page for sentiment analysis. Now click on the sign up button. So here you have to fill your all the information over here. I have already done the register. I have already done the sign up. So I am clicking on sign in button. Just enter the username over here and password over here which you have created while doing the registration, and now click on register button. So here you can see that you have to enter the name of the title. Suppose that I am entering sentiment analysis, and the paragraph which is your favorite, and now just you have to click on submit button. So let me just enter the paragraph. So here you can see that I have entered the paragraph over here. Now just simply click on submit button. So here you can see the sentiment analysis of the entire paragraph is positive with 0.1, neutral for 0.6 and negative for 0.1, and the paragraph is positive. So depending upon the paragraph or the sentence you will enter over there, it will detect about the sentiment analysis that the sentence is positive, negative or neutral. So now let's try with one more example over here. Click on topic modeling, and now just enter the sentiment analysis, and now let's enter with another sentence about the sentiment analysis. So here you can see that I have entered the text for sentiment analysis, and now click on submit button. So here you can see that the paragraph is positive again. So depending on the paragraph you will enter over there, it will detect whether the paragraph is positive or negative. So now just click on sentiment prediction over here. Here suppose here I am entering the same message, and now click on predict button. So it is showing that the predict type is negative over here. So it will detect over here by clicking on the predict button, and now click on about button. Okay, so by clicking on the sign out option, you can simply log out with this. So now coming back to the conclusion part. In conclusion, multitask mutual learning, that is MTML for joint sentiment classification and topic detection, is an inventive approach within the realm of natural language processing. This method, which handles both sentiment classification and topic detection concurrently in textual data, presents a potential resolution to numerous challenges linked to these tasks. By exploiting the interplay between sentiment and topic data, MTML aims to accomplish several essential objectives. Ensemble model is used with proposed one from which extra tree classifying is better accuracy 90% and is used to build the model and save it from user prediction. So here we have completed with our project. Thank you.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.